Hi again, preschool families. It's Miss Delaney, and I'm here with another project for math. This week, our theme is ocean. So I decided to do a sorting activity that you can do with your parents and show them how smart you guys are. Okay, here are the materials you need. For this activity, you will need your math mat from your preschool packet. If you don't have one, that's okay. You can just use a regular piece of paper, draw a rectangle, and divide it into a group of 10 smaller rectangles. You will also need a container of or bag of colored goldfish. This one has orange, green, and purple fish inside, but you can find other ones with pretzels or other things that your child can sort. Okay, you're gonna pour out your fishes. You probably don't need to have a big amount. Just this. I got a small container from the dollar store that were $1. But if you got the bag, then you just pour out like maybe about 30 fish, 20 fish. So one of the things you can do is if you pour out the fish, the first thing you can do is ask your child to sort them out by color. I brought my buddy Jacob here, my son, to help sort out. Say hi, Jacob.
Hi.
He's going to sort out the fish by colors to show that how your child could use the fish by sorting them out. So you can see that you're able to have a couple of groups. After that, you can either have your child count them out for you and see how many, or you can use our handy dandy math mat. So let me show you how your child can put the fishes in the groups. Okay, so the first way that we can use our math mat is we can take our groups of fish and we can just fill in the math mat. It doesn't matter if your child uses the different colors, but what things you can do is one fish per square. So I'm using my fish, and I can put them this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we make a group of 10. So depending on your child's attention span, you may want to stop there, or if they want to continue to fill all the blocks in, they can fill all the blocks in with the fish. So we're going to fill in all the groups of 10. So here's after we sorted all the fish into their groups. But like I said, it doesn't really matter. As long as your child is putting the fish is in the square, then you have the activity. So after you do that, then there's another thing you can do with the fish. So you can have your child count the blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If your child can count past 10, then you might want them to keep going and count until as far as they can go and count with them. You don't have to go up to 40 if you want to. It's up to you, or 50. It's up to you. Just remember that we're still just working on preschool numbers. So then after, what you can do with your child is you can ask them to make a pattern. One of the patterns that you can make with your child is an A-B pattern. So that is when you take the fish and you do one color, then another color, then the same color again, and then the same color again. So it's orange, purple, orange, purple. And you keep going. And you have your child keep going, and then you ask them what would come next. So what would come next? The next color would come next would be orange. And then what? Oh, purple. You could say, uh-oh, what's missing? Okay, the orange fish is missing. Can you find the orange fish? And have your child find the orange fish. There's so many ways that you can do this activity with your child and keep them busy. You can do it every day. You can do it every couple days just to keep them counting. You can also use M&Ms and candies and things to sort out. As long as they're counting and sorting, they're getting the math activity. You can have your child explore how to do different patterns. So if they want to do this pattern, or they can do an A, B, B, A pattern, which is like this. So again, here I have my fish. I have orange, green, green, orange, green, green, orange. Uh-oh, what's missing? What comes next? And have your child figure it out. Green, and then orange. You can also have them explore their own pattern and make their own patterns and see what they can come up with. But whatever it is, there's no wrong way to do it. It's just to have them have fun and learn how to count. Okay, so anyways, that's all for today. I hope that you guys have a good time playing with your goldfish. And then after, you can have one and eat them all up for a snack. All right, guys. I'll see you later. Mwah. Bye-bye.